Forex Line Indicator Strategy Number 2. Entry at breakouts supports or breakouts resistance. A breakouts is any price movement outside a supports or resistance area. Breakout strategy has 4 parts: supports, resistance, breakouts and retest. The retest of supports or resistance provides a trader with an opportunity to entry after the breakouts of supports or resistance. If candlestick moves sideways for more than 3 or 4 periods following a breakout, there's a good chance to entry at the breakout supports or resistance. The longer a market consolidates near supports or resistance, the more volatile the resulting breakouts will be. The best session for monitoring breakouts is during Europe and London session, and time frame 15 minutes is recommended for this breakout strategy. It's best practice to use buy and sell demands to identify potential targets for this breakout strategies. A good place to start is the recent swing high or low for mini arrow. Your stop loss should always be placed at supports if resistance breakouts, and the stop loss should place at resistance if the supports breakouts, depending on which way the market breaks. Use mini line arrow for close position or taking profit after the breakout's entry.